Children, first of all we will be studying about tongue which is present in the buccal cavity. Tongue is attached at the floor of buccal cavity. It is anteriorly free, whereas attached to a structure which is known as frenulum by posterior end. It is made up of skeletal muscles, though there are no bones in the tongue, but the muscles which are present are skeletal muscles. Tongues contain three types of papillae, that is circumvallate papillae, fungiform papillae and filiform papillae. Circumvallate papillae, they are largest in size, fewer in number and are arranged as inverted V. Their shape is inverted V. They contain taste buds. Next is fungiform papillae. Fungiform papillae are presented on the lateral side. They are smaller in size as compared to circumvallate. Their shape is mushroom-like and their number is more than circumvallate papillae. Next, the third type of papillae which is present on the tongue is filiform papillae. Filiform papillae are inverted V in shape. They are smallest in size and maximum in number. These are the three types of papillae which makes the surface of the tongue rough. The first and the third type contains taste bud. As we have studied, the taste bud are the structure which give taste to the food. So these taste buds are present on the circumvallate papillae as well as filiform papillae. These taste buds are four types. They help to detect the different type of taste in the food. Different type of taste means bitter, sour, salty and sweet. The taste buds which are present at the extreme tip of the tongue are sweet detecting, whereas the one which is located just above on the interior end is bitter. Sour and salty are present on the lateral side of tongue. Functions. Tongue helps to mix the food with the saliva, which is an important secretion secreted by salivary gland. It also helps in articulation of speech, that is, it helps to detect and produce the sound by different vowels and consonant. Along with this, it also helps in swallowing the food. Swallowed food is also known as bolus. It acts as a natural toothbrush by cleaning the teeth. Thereby, it is important in cleaning the teeth. It is also performing an important function of gustatorreceptor. Gustatorreceptor means it helps to detect the taste of food. So, the most important thing about the tongue is that it is attached posteriorly by frenulum, free at end, made of skeletal muscles, contain three different types of papillae, circumvallate, fungiform and filiform. Circumvallate and filiform contains taste bud. Taste buds are of four types. Sweet taste bud which are present at the anterior part of the tongue. Bitter taste bud is present on the posterior end. Sour and salty are present on the lateral side. So it plays an important role. From the bottom, this tongue is supported by hyoid apparatus. Children, the next part which is located in the buccal cavity is teeth. Teeth are present in the upper and the lower jaw. Type of teeth are heterodont. Hetero means different. So that means there are four different types of teeth: incisor, canines, premolar and molar. They all are performing different function. Incisors are used for cutting and biting. Canines are used for tearing and piercing. Premolar are used for crushing and grinding. Molar teeth are used for crushing, grinding and mastication. Teeth are thecodont in mammals, especially human beings. That is, they are present in the jaws. They are also of diphyodont type. Di means two. That means teeth appear twice in the life cycle of human being. First is milk teeth from 1st to 5th years of age and are approximately 20 in number, which are replaced by permanent teeth which are 32 at the age of 6 to 14. Their number and shape is their number and type is represented by a formula which is known as dental formula. Dental formula express the arrangement of teeth with the number expressing the kind of teeth in one half of upper and lower jaw. It means that incisor, canines, premolar and molar are represented by formula 2 by 2, 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3, and the whole set is multiplied by 2. It is the dental formula. Next to the structure of teeth, basically its structure can be studied in 3 headings, that is crown, neck and root. The exposed part of teeth is known as crown. It consists of a layer of enamel over it. The neck region is the part which is embedded in the gum, and that part which is embedded in the bone is root part. So teeth are divided in crown, neck and root. They are covered by different layers. The outermost layer of the teeth is enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance which is found in the body. It is secreted by the cell, ameloblast cell, which is made, and these enamel layer is made up of calcium phosphate and fluoride. That means fluoride is essential for the development of teeth, but if it is present in excess, then becomes the cause for mortality of teeth. So it should be present in an appropriate sequence. This layer is non-living. Next to enamel is present a second layer which is dentine and is present all over the structure. Enamel is present only in the exposed region, whereas dentine is present in the whole part of teeth. It is secreted by odontoblast cell which are present here. It is pale yellowish in color and is also made up of calcium salt. It is mesodermal in origin. The third part is the pulp cavity. This remaining part is represented by pulp cavity. It consists of connective tissue, blood vessels and nerve fiber. It has opening which is known as foramen, from which blood vessels and nerve fiber enter. This is the structure of teeth. Teeth plays an important role in mastication of food which is necessary for further digestion. Thus we have studied the different parts of the next part of the buccal cavity is salivary gland. Salivary gland are 3 paired in number. The first is parotid gland. Parotid gland is largest salivary gland. It is made up of serous cell. Its secretion contains an important thing, that is enzyme. Enzyme is salivary amylase, which is also known as ptyalin. Along with this, it also releases some watery content. When infected, this parotid gland results in a disease which is known as mumps. Second pair is submandibular or submaxillary salivary gland. Its secretion contains mucus. The third pair is sublingual salivary gland, which also releases the same content, that is mucus. The main secretion of salivary gland is saliva. Saliva contains water, enzymes, mucus, salt and a special bactericidal chemical, lysozyme, which helps to disinfect the bacteria if it enters along with the food. It is slightly acidic in nature and is approximately 1 to 1.5 liter per day is released.